The world of finance is changing. It's evolving faster than ever before, driven by technology and innovation. Traditional systems are being challenged and new opportunities are emerging. A new era is upon us, one that promises to redefine how we think about money, value, and ownership. This is the era of cryptocurrency, a digital revolution that is reshaping the financial world as we know it. You might have heard whispers of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are just the beginning of a much larger story. Maybe you're curious but unsure where to begin. The world of cryptocurrency can seem complex and intimidating at first glance. Well, this guide is for you. It's designed to simplify the concepts and help you take your first confident steps. We'll demystify cryptocurrency and empower you to take your first steps. Cryptocurrency is digital money created and stored electronically. It exists outside the control of governments and banks. This decentralization is what makes it so unique and powerful. And honestly, this is revolutionary. It's a paradigm shift that puts power back into the hands of individuals. It gives you, the individual, unprecedented control over your own wealth. No intermediaries, no unnecessary fees. The potential here is enormous. From transforming industries to enabling global financial inclusion, the possibilities are endless. Early adopters have seen life-changing returns, but it's not just about profits. It's about being part of something bigger. But it's not just about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the value of a decentralized future. Cryptocurrency is about financial freedom and inclusion. It's about giving everyone a fair chance to participate in the global economy. This is your chance to join a global movement. A movement that transcends borders and unites people through technology. A movement that is reshaping the financial landscape. The way we save, spend, and invest is being reimagined. Don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. Every expert was once a beginner, and learning is part of the journey. We'll break it down into simple terms. Step by step, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to explore this new frontier. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation for navigating the exciting world of cryptocurrency. You'll be ready to take control of your financial future. Welcome to the future of money, a future that is already here, waiting for you to embrace it. Imagine a financial system without gatekeepers, where you are in control of your own assets. No banks, no governments, no middlemen. A system that operates without the need for traditional institutions. This is the promise of decentralization, the core principle of cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary idea that challenges the status quo. In traditional finance, you rely on intermediaries to facilitate transactions and manage your money. You trust banks to hold your money securely, to process payments, and to provide access when you need it. You trust governments to manage the currency, ensuring its value and stability over time. But what happens when these institutions fail? When trust is broken, and the system collapses under its own weight? Decentralization eliminates this single point of failure, creating a system that is more resilient and inclusive. Cryptocurrencies operate on a distributed network, where no single entity has control or authority. This network is made up of thousands of computers around the world, working together seamlessly. These computers validate and record transactions, ensuring accuracy and transparency in real time. No single entity has control, making the system fair and democratic for everyone involved. This distributed ledger, known as a blockchain, is the backbone of cryptocurrency. Think of it as a public record of every transaction ever made. It's transparent, secure, and immutable. Decentralization empowers individuals to take control. It gives you control over your own assets, removing the need to rely on third parties. Smart contracts further enhance the system, automating agreements without the need for intermediaries. And honestly, this is the power of cryptocurrency. It's not just about money. It's about freedom, transparency, and a new way of thinking. Let's dive deeper into the blockchain. This revolutionary technology is the foundation of cryptocurrency. Imagine a digital ledger. This ledger records every transaction. It's duplicated across countless computers. This network of computers is constantly verifying and adding new transactions. Each block in the chain contains a record of multiple transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or removed. This makes the blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin use cryptography to secure transactions. This ensures that only the rightful owner can spend their funds. The blockchain is constantly growing. New blocks are added, creating an immutable record of all transactions. This decentralized and transparent system is what sets cryptocurrency apart from traditional finance. It's a secure, efficient, and tamper-proof way to manage and transfer value. Bitcoin. The name is synonymous with cryptocurrency. It was the first and remains the most well-known. But what exactly is Bitcoin, and why is it so valuable? Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. Like gold, it's scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity, combined with its decentralized nature, makes Bitcoin an attractive store of value. Unlike fiat currencies which can be printed endlessly, Bitcoin is immune to inflation. Its value is determined by supply and demand. As more people recognize its potential, the demand grows, and so does its price. Bitcoin is a long-term investment. It's a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. It's a way to opt out of the traditional financial system. Many investors believe Bitcoin's value will continue to rise over time. This is why it's often called digital gold. Section 5. Exploring the crypto market beyond Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is the pioneer, it's not the only player in the game. In fact, the cryptocurrency world has grown far beyond its origins. You see, thousands of cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have emerged over time. These altcoins cater to a variety of needs and industries, offering solutions that Bitcoin simply wasn't designed for. Each one comes with its own unique features and purpose. Take Ethereum, for instance. It's a game changer in the blockchain space. It's more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform for decentralized applications. This means it's not just about transactions, but about creating an ecosystem for innovation. It enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts. These are essentially programmable agreements that execute automatically when certain conditions are met. Now, these smart contracts are pretty fascinating. They're self-executing agreements that automate processes, removing the need for intermediaries. Pretty cool, right? Then there are stablecoins, which bring a whole new level of practicality to the crypto world. As the name suggests, these aim to maintain price stability. They're designed to address one of the biggest challenges in crypto: volatility. They're often pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar, or even commodities like gold. This makes them a reliable option for those looking for stability in an otherwise unpredictable market. This makes them, well, a practical choice for everyday transactions, and even a hedge against the usual market volatility. They're bridging the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world. The cryptocurrency market is, honestly, vast and incredibly diverse. From privacy-focused coins to tokens powering decentralized finance, there's something for everyone. It's super important to take the time to research and understand the different types of cryptocurrencies before diving into any investments. Knowledge is your best tool in navigating this complex space. Every project out there has its own white paper which outlines its goals, technology, and the team behind it. These documents are a treasure trove of information for potential investors. So, yeah, doing your homework is key. The crypto market is full of opportunities, but it's also a space where informed decisions make all the difference. Section 6. Your first steps into crypto exchanges and wallets. Ready to dip your toes into the world of crypto? Well, the first step is choosing an exchange. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When selecting an exchange, consider factors like security, fees, and available cryptocurrencies. Once you've purchased cryptocurrency, you'll need a wallet to store it. Think of a wallet as your digital piggy bank. There are two main types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, offering convenience for frequent transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline, providing maximum security for long-term storage. Section 7. Building a balanced portfolio. Diversification is key. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing. It's really about spreading your risk across different assets, and the same applies to cryptocurrency. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, create a balanced portfolio. Allocate a portion of your investment to Bitcoin. It's like the foundation of the market. Then explore other promising cryptocurrencies. Consider investing in different sectors within the crypto space. Some focus on decentralized finance or DeFi, others on gaming, and some on supply chain management. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of any single cryptocurrency's performance on your overall portfolio. Remember, cryptocurrency is a volatile market. Prices can fluctuate significantly, so don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Section 8. Navigating the Crypto Waters Tools and Resources. The cryptocurrency world is awash with information, and honestly it can be overwhelming for beginners. But fortunately, there are numerous tools and resources that can help you navigate this exciting landscape. CoinMarketCap is an excellent starting point. It provides real-time data on cryptocurrency prices, market capitalization, and trading volume. TradingView offers advanced charting tools and technical analysis indicators. These tools can help you identify trends and make informed trading decisions. Stay up to date with industry news and developments. Websites like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph provide comprehensive coverage of the cryptocurrency world. Section 9. The future is decentralized. Embrace the revolution. Congratulations. You've taken the first steps into the world of cryptocurrency. You've learned about decentralization, blockchain technology, and the potential of this revolutionary asset class. But the journey doesn't end here. The cryptocurrency space is constantly evolving. New projects, technologies, and opportunities emerge every single day. Embrace the learning process. Stay curious, ask questions, and never stop exploring. The future of finance is decentralized. Cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. By educating yourself and taking action, you can position yourself to benefit from this exciting new era. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Start your cryptocurrency journey today and be a part of shaping the future of money.